What's up, besties? It's your girl La, and I'm back with another video. I want to share an unboxing with you guys. I'm finally unboxing it, but I have some things I want to share firsthand. So I went to Victoria's Secrets and I got this cute little card holder right here with the keychain card holder. Y'all, this pink is really pretty, and with the silver, I love that, you guys. Look at that. And as well, Victoria's Secrets always have some good hardware. So I picked this up. I also picked up this EOS, and this was from Walmart, the holiday collection candy cane, and it's the lip balm. So I picked that up. And then, what else? Oh, Victoria's Secret was giving away these bags here, you guys. This bag is so cute. I want to show you guys this beautiful bag. Look at this bag, you guys. Victoria's Secrets, y'all stepping up y'all bag. This little tote bag is so freaking pretty. And I don't know if this is leather or vinyl, but it's cute. I don't know. But it feels so freaking good. So I got that for free. And then, let's see. Sorry for the noise, you guys. I did pick up some leggings here. I picked up these leggings because I've been getting rid of a lot of stuff. So I got rid of these. It's an extra large. I've been getting rid of old clothes that I need to get rid of, and that still had tags and stuff on them, but I gave it to like my nieces and stuff. I got the green pair. I also picked up the shirt, this cute little t-shirt. I picked this up to go with the green here. And then I picked up the blue, sort of like a turtleneck, and it's so cute to go with the blue. So I picked up this from Victoria's Secrets. I just picked that up the other day. So yeah, I had a gift card, so I picked that up. And then next, we have the Coach unboxing. So let's get her out. Y'all, I did open her and kind of fixed her up a little bit because there's a couple of items in here. But here is the box. I went to the outlet. Now, you guys, I actually went in there for a Georgia satchel, but I changed my mind on a Georgia satchel. I did want to get a Rowan, but I changed my mind on the Rowan because this bag right here is a hard to get bag and they never have them in stock. So we're going to get into it. I guess you guys can tell how the paper is looking. Like, I went in here and I, you know, messed it up because they had it wrapped really pretty. So let's get into this unboxing. Yeah. Can y'all tell what this is? Can y'all tell what it is? So yeah, so let's go. So I went in there and I got this beautiful. It's so pretty. I love it. I'm gonna get two more, so I'm just waiting. And why does my voice always go high and low? But anyway, look at her. I got the vanity. She is so freaking pretty. Like, you guys, she is so dainty. Like, she's a dainty little bag. It's like the signature cosmetic case. And you guys, I got this little bag for like 70 bucks. Yep. And I was waiting on this to come because I thought it would give it a little touch. Isn't that cute? I just wrapped it around and put a little bow right there. That is so freaking pretty. Oh, that's her. Isn't she gorgeous? You guys, she's so pretty. And then we have the little the tag right here, which I want to get my tag. I was thinking about getting my tags customized, so I'm still thinking about that. But let's open her up because I have some goodies in here. she wrapped it just like this, but I unwrapped it. But I have some good, look at this, y'all. It has the mirror. And here's a little tag right here. Yeah, it's the walnut and black. So pretty. So pretty. And I got this to go with it because it is the holidays, and I thought that was cute. Like, it didn't have to be the same card holder. So I got the card holder because I don't have a red card holder with the walnut and black. So I have this. It came with it. And then, of course, you know I had to get a piece of jewelry. So I did get this bracelet because it was like 2 buy 2 and get 20% off. That's what I did. And I got this cute bracelet because I don't have this one. Oh my God, she's so pretty. And I think I got this for like $20-something, y'all. Here's a little tag. I know you probably can't see it, but yeah, it was on sale. So this is my unboxing. Isn't it cute, you guys? It's so cute. And this little, my little scarf, it is the 𝒑𝒊𝒂𝒂𝒕 heart. Yeah, heart 𝒑𝒂𝒂𝒕 silk scarf. This came separately. That's what I was waiting on. But yeah, and I only paid like $20-something for, I only paid $20-something for this scarf. I paid $20-something for this and this. And with the 20% off. So you guys, this is my what's in my bag that I've been wanting to, well, not what's in my bag. This is my unboxing that I want to share with you guys. I can't wait to put the charms. Like, you guys, I purchased some charms too that I'm going to, I purchased some charms that I'm going to put with this bag. Matter of fact, let me show you the charms that I got from Michael's really quick, so that way you guys can see what I'm going for. Let me see where I put these charms at. Sorry, you guys. Oh, here they are right here. So let me show you the charms, you guys. So here's the charms. So I got this one. And then I end up getting the little teddy bear. Because sometimes you gotta get creative. I also got this pretty little butterfly. I got this pineapple. Pineapple. And then I got this, what you call this? Ladybug. So I'm gonna put these charms on here with the gold chain, and I think it's gonna be really pretty. They didn't really have a good selection because now I guess everybody's making their own charms and stuff. So I was able to grab these 5, and I'm gonna make my own chain charm. I do have a couple of chain charms in my cart from Coach, but I'm waiting for the price to go down. So yeah, that's what I got. But I'm so happy that I was able to share with you guys my unboxing. I appreciate you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because y'all, it's still a vibe over here, you know? And I'm growing into my channel. Like, I'm finally growing into this channel, knowing what I'm doing, learning how to speak for my channel, because guess what? We are still here with the public and we need to know how to talk. And sometimes we get tight-tongued and it can be all fun and games, but I want to talk the way I'm supposed to talk and clear cut. Okay. So yeah, but here it is. I appreciate you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you guys, they do have these on sale. They're on the site now because they've been out of stock for the longest. They had 2, and I should have bought both of these bags and gifted one to someone special, a friend, one of my daughters, but forget them daughters. Them daughters be getting all my purses. So I should have gifted this to this young lady that has became a daughter to me. I really love her. So I should have gifted it to, got her one and gifted to her. Just because lately she's been having a hard time. She's missing her brother, and you know, which is my son. So he's my stepson, but she's really been going through it. And I think I'm going to bless her with something. It doesn't have to be material, but I just sent her a Juicy Couture purse, and she loved it. She was so happy to get that purse. It was brand new, that I got for her. And y'all need to go to 𝑑𝑑's, because if y'all want to, y'all talk about Ross and TJ Maxx and Marshalls, y'all, 𝑑𝑑's be having the Juicy Couture purses for a little or nothing. So don't forget, don't sleep on 𝑑�d's, because 𝑑�d's is it too. Like, I love an expensive purse, but honey, I would go get a $10, $5, $6 purse from 𝑑�d's and make that purse look really, really pretty. Okay, so don't sleep on 𝑑�d's. But anyway, I'm done talking. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, these are my little charms and my little bracelet. It's so cute. I'm so happy I got this purse. But yeah, this is it. All right, bye. Remember, take care of yourself, okay? Because without taking care of yourself, you can't take care of nobody else. You got to take care of you first. All right, that's my message. I'm out of here. Talk to you guys later. Bye.